It has now been 7 months since a jury found Adam Fravel guilty of murdering his ex-girlfriend, Maddie Kingsbury. But the battle over his access to their children just finished in the past week. Kingsbury disappeared in March of 2023 after dropping off their children at a Winona daycare. After months of searching, authorities found her body and arrested Fravel. He was ultimately convicted of killing her and is now serving life in prison. But this entire time, he's also been fighting for access to the kids. Tonight, in an exclusive interview, Kingsbury's parents are speaking out about the grueling process to gain parental rights of their grandchildren. And now they are calling for change. Lou Raguse spoke with them today. Lou?
Julie, hours away from another trial, Adam Fravel finally voluntarily gave up his parental rights after costing Maddie Kingsbury's parents tens of thousands of dollars, along with additional mental anguish. They don't want others to have to go through what they just went through.
When Adam Fravel was sentenced to life in prison without parole in December, many might have assumed he no longer had parental rights. After all, a jury convicted him of murdering the mother of his children.
Everybody assumes that, and they're really dumbfounded and stupefied that that's not the case, and that we have to go through what we've had to go through to get his parental rights terminated.
David and Kathy Kingsbury, Maddie Kingsbury's father and stepmother, just spent tens of thousands of dollars in legal costs to make sure Fravel wouldn't have the right to contact his kids or review their medical records.
He thought he should have contact, whatever that meant, over the course of the years. I'm sure he was thinking visits. But he wanted to be able to check in with the mental health professionals that are helping with the kids, just to see how they were doing, is what he was putting it.
David and Kathy have been taking care of Ellie and Noah since Maddie disappeared. Before her body was found, Fravel took them to court for a custody hearing. Despite everything, they say the kids are doing as well as one can expect.
The children are thriving, they're doing fine. They know about what happened. They don't need that monster in the background lurking.
And this is home, and they want to stay here forever.
They plan to push for legislative action so that if a parent kills another parent, they will lose parental rights automatically. The Kingsburys hope they are finally done facing Adam Fravel.
He said, "Can I go now?" And when he got up and disappeared through that door, I was very happy to see him go, and thinking we'll never have to see him again, I hope.
I would hope.
David and Kathy are now starting the adoption process. The Madeline Kingsbury Foundation will lobby lawmakers to take up this issue next year, and Maddie's mother, Krista, plays a big role in the foundation.
Oh man, your heart goes out to them, but I agree. I'm a little shocked that it takes that much effort and that much money to make sure that they have custody and they can make all the decisions.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, first of all, this kind of thing doesn't happen that often, thankfully, so it's kind of under the radar from that standpoint. But then also it's in juvenile court. Juvenile courts are private records. It's not something the public knows about. So if they didn't share, I don't think anybody would know.
Would know it took that long.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Lou.
Absolutely.